Here are free cash bonus codes and how to redeem them. First is go to free cash promo codes and you'll be able to see there under the simple codes the codes that is available for February 2026. Now click on the show codes and click on the copy option so that the code will automatically be copied to your clipboard. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and select more codes that you wanted to have. So as you can see, there are a lot of codes that you can choose from. And then for you to be able to redeem it, the first thing that you can do is that you can go ahead and search for the free cash itself and then click on the free cash, and all you need to do is to sign in if you don't have an account and then sign up if you already have an account. All you need to do is to put on the credentials, your email, and the password that you set up to your free cash. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and redeem the codes that you get from the Sibley Codes website. Just go ahead and paste on the codes, and you can now automatically redeem it by yourself.